Who owns your house? It sounds like that should be a simple answer. You were at the closing, right? Well, was your dad a co-signer on the mortgage? Is he an owner of the house? And what about that divorce? You got that bum ex of yours off the deed, right? And maybe there's a death? Is there an estate that you have to be concerned with? What about that land trust you were considering 20 years ago? Did you ever actually put the house in the land trust, or was it just a thought? In summary, there are a lot of issues that could affect who exactly owns your house today. Well, in today's video, we're going to go over how to research your house records on the Cook County Recorder's website. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by helping clients buy and sell houses throughout Chicago and its suburbs. And today we're going to take a deep dive into the Cook County Recorder's website to figure out how to look up your property records. All right, so how do we actually navigate the Cook County's website? Well, we're going to take it step by step. Every property in Cook County is included in this database. You can look up your house, your neighbor's house, the house you grew up in, but every property is there. So you could also look up the United Center, Sears Tower, or the Wrigley Building too. To respect homeowner privacy, I'll skip using a house as an example and use a big plot of land instead. I looked up a few landmarks, and the Arlington International Racecourse has some recent recorded deeds. You know, that vacant lot the Bears bought a couple years ago? We'll go with that one. Even though I'm using a big famous attraction, the same steps apply to your house. All right, so how do you actually navigate the Cook County website? Well, we'll take it step by step. The first step is to go online and look up Cook County property, and that's going to take you to the Cook County Property Tax Portal. If you want to skip Google, you just type in cookcountypropertyinfo.com. Now, you can look it up two ways. Either you can look up by PIN. The PIN is the most direct way to look up a property, but most people don't know their PIN off the top of their head. So we can also look it up by address. Now, I looked up the race course earlier, so we're going to type in 2200 in the house. Street is Euclid. We're going to leave unit blank. City, Arlington Heights. And we'll leave a zip code blank as well. Hit search. Now, if you get a couple hits here, it's best to go with the most complete address. So we're going to use this one that has the W for West Euclid Avenue. And there it pops up. You have all sorts of information on the property itself. You have the property address, you have some assessed value info, mailing address, you have some prior tax bills, appeals information, tax sales, and down in the bottom right it says documents, deeds, and liens. And this is where you want to click on more record information. All right, now we're on the county clerk's website. And we're going to scroll down. And this little magnifying glass that says search recordings. And we're going to click on that. Now, wait, here's the best part. On the search recordings page, there's a picture of an actual recording search. And we're going to click on that. All right, we're actually on the search page. Here's the best part. I'll give you a shortcut to skip those steps 1 through 7. All you have to do is type in crs.cookcountyclerkil.gov/search, and you can take it away from there. So, enter search criteria here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to copy and paste the PIN. Address/PIN search. And we get the PIN, we get the address. Now to view the recorded docs, you click on View here. And it brings up all the documents that have been recorded on the property since 1985. The most recently recorded document is first, but you can change it up any different way. If you want to look up a specific document, click on Doc Type, Doc Executed, Doc Recorded. We are going to look up that warranty deed from 2023, about a year ago at this point, and click on View. And we get a little preview of it over in this window. If you want to get a full-size version, click on View Document in New Window. View Document in New Window. And there you have it. Arlington Park Racecourse was sold to the CBFC Development, LLC, Chicago Bears Football Club Development, LLC. Office located at Chicago Bears Football Club, 1920 Football Drive, Lake Forest, Illinois. All right, so now we know that the Bears do own that Arlington Park Racetrack vacant plot of land now. And there you have it. Now from here, you can either print or save the document if you want to hold on to it. And there you have it. Now you know how to look up your property information or snoop on your neighbors. Go to town, look up, see who owns your childhood home these days. Have fun with it. Do you know anyone who may need to look up their home ownership information soon? Maybe they're thinking of selling their house. Maybe there's an estate. Maybe there's a divorce. Maybe they thought they put the house in a trust, but it's been so long they can't even remember anymore. Well, show them this video. Give us a big thumbs up and a like if you found it helpful. And subscribe to 23 Legal for more real estate and estate planning law content. I'm Ben Weaver, open to taking new clients and contracts, and I'll see you in the next video.